Hey guys, Tech Timmy here, down on my hands and knees for you today. I'm going to do an unboxing of this snazzy looking CHIPHY floor lamp and take it out of the box and show you the different parts and whatnot. I have my trusty unboxing knife here. I'm hoping I don't have to use it. It aggravates me when I do. But yeah, let's get this out of the box and see what we got. Now, others I've noticed have complained that, so far no knife needed, that's good. I've noticed that some others have complained that they had a really tough time setting this up. So I'm curious as to see what all the fuss is about. So yeah, so a couple of little pieces of plastic up top here to keep things nice and safe, so I like that a lot. The box itself, it seems very well organized. You've got, looks like bulbs here, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi enabled bulbs, which is really cool. It does say remote control RGB bulb on it, so I'm definitely looking forward to testing this out once we get it set up. And then another little box here with the remote control. Looks like the boxes are super intact, a little ding over here, but I think we should be good. And in terms of hardware, let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have a, it looks like, here, let's take it out of the bag. I went for the knife and then I said, no, you know what? Let's not go there if we don't have to. So, yeah, that came off nicely. So here it looks like we have the light fixture itself. I'm guessing that's some sort of a base maybe. And the second light fixture over here. I didn't realize there were two of them, but makes sense because we have the two bulbs there. And of course the pole, I assume that that is what runs up through the center of the light. Yeah, and that does look relatively easy to set up, so that's a good sign. And then next up we have, I assume this is actually the body of the light. If you're familiar with this, it's like, it looks almost like not a sheet is the wrong word, but a piece of canvas, I guess. And then this would stand up tall on the floor, from floor, I think presumably from about halfway up to the ceiling. But yeah, so I definitely don't want to rip this, so we're going to be pretty careful. For canvas, it actually looks a little bit better made than I was expecting. Of course, it is sort of a plasticky, canvasy type thing. So that's cool. So this is the body of the light, if you will. And then we have some more stuff in the box as well. Interesting. So yeah, this is very well packaged actually. So we actually had this box of additional hardware taped to the bottom of the box, which is cool. Keep it from floating around in there during transport. And then here we have some additional hardware. Looks like some, I'm going to call them screwy things that adorn the light itself. And then we have some documentation. It looks like they're focused on customer service. I actually received an email from them today through Amazon, basically saying that, are you happy with the light? Please write a review. The email is very, very poorly written, I might say, as a writer, but the thought is there, and I think that's pretty cool. And then it looks like these are the installation instructions, which look pretty decent actually. So we have, maybe we'll go this way. So we have a picture of the lamp itself and what needs to be screwed into what. So it looks like I think for someone that's not very good with installing things, I think I've got this one for sure, which is very encouraging. And then there's a second page here. Let's see how many steps total we have in directions. So this is just a before and after shot, which is nice. And then here are the actual directions here. Steps 1 through 15, which is not trivial. So we've got 15 different steps that we need to do, but still, all told, this looks doable even for me. And as I said, I'm not very good at putting things together, admittedly. And then last but not least, it looks like we have some CHIPHY stickers, which I don't know if I'll go there necessarily, but still kind of cute and nice to have. I don't know. So far, I'm really liking what I'm seeing with this company. So yeah. So next up, I think we'll get this assembled, and then I'll record a video doing that, and then I'll also do a nice demo once I have it set up. Show you the different colors and things that the smart bulbs can do here. But yeah, I'm excited to get this set up and get it going. I think this is going. It's either going in the living room or the bedroom, but we'll see, and we'll give you an update later. If you get any value out of this unboxing video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I would appreciate it greatly. Thank you. Tech Timmy signing off for now. Hope to see you in the next one.